मोठा තරගිසව්ව තියුණු තරගයක් කරනවාට සැකයක් නෑ මහෙන්.
Yes, another hot event, the 1500 specials. These cars have been fully souped up. We have specifications say it's only up to 1500 cc, so that's Buddhika Ruklanta. So he's behind the wheel of a Suzuki Caltus. Let's see whether our cameras can take us to obviously promo watch will be Nishan Vasalatantri in his Honda CRX modified. He's fared very well in this car at once before at Katakurunda, so let's see him out here on a gravel surface at Pangola. So that's Ruklanta and Vasalatantri. You know, cameras don't have the time to take you to all the individual cars. Nevertheless, start line is being readied. We should have a start. Event number 21, Group S specials up to 1500 cc. And see off. That's high revving engines. Oh, someone. Oh, Nissan has got a very good start from Ruklanta. So Ruklanta is lying second at the moment. Dinesh Serenaka on the outside of Ruklanta as they go in here. Serenaka has got in front. So Serenaka has got in front. And Ruklanta is relegated to the last position from first. This is what happens in gravel racing. Obviously the Caltus not been able to keep up with those Hondas. 1500cc fully modified engines. The race being led by Nishan Vasalatantri. Dinesh Serenaka. And Visakha Naveen. So Visakha Naveen, Nishan Vasalatantri, Dinesh Serenaka and Visakha Naveen. And we have Ruklanta in the Caltus, only Caltus running in this event. The three Hondas are leading the way as they come round. Honda CRX in the hands of Nishan Vasalatantri, committee member of Slada, and of course a good driver. Dinesh Serenaka is trying on the outside of Nishan Vasalatantri as they come out down the stretch. Let's see who gets into that corner first. I think so Nishan Vasalatantri, I'm being corrected, he's the president of the club, so but not interested in the presidency at the moment. He's only interested in keeping that car in front of the others, which he has successfully done so far. So someone being hit, Serenaka and Visakha Naveen. So Visakha and Serenaka has got in front of Visakha Naveen. So they are jockeying for places where second and third is concerned. Vasalatantri also nearly lost his place to Dinesh Serenaka, but he's in front. So Nishan Vasalatantri in front, leading from Dinesh Serenaka and Visakha Naveen. Then we have Ruklanta, Buddhika Ruklanta in the Suzuki Caltus.
බුද්ධික රූපලන්ත මහෙන් බලමෝතමට තමයි මෝටර් රථයක් තරගවදින්න උ මේට පෙර තරගවදින ජීප් රථ.
He's trying his hand behind the wheel of Suzuki Caltus, but I think the Caltus cannot match those Hondas for power. See the Caltus way behind. The battle I think is for second place between Visakha Naveen and Dinesh Serenaka. So that is helping Vasalatantri to get away. When the battle builds up behind you, they are worried about losing a position. They will always keep to the inner line of those corners. So that has helped Vasalatantri to get away.
Nishan Vasalatantri තරගේ ඉදිරිය ලබා ගනිමින් අප 25 තරගවදින තාවකයා promo watch.
So Visakha Naveen, like you can see a couple of dents on his cars. I think Dinesh is also, they have been touching each other on those corners. Ring down battle for second place here between Visakha Naveen and Dinesh Serenaka. They have completed 3 laps and they are in the final lap. This whole lap event, fully modified 1500cc. Most of these Hondas, I think they have de-stroked those engines. 1600 being brought down to 1500, or maybe I don't know, some of them may be running a 1400 modified, but I think it's all de-stroked and running to match the specifications of that particular class. And that's 1500cc modifications, any modifications being allowed. So most of the competitors prefer the Honda, which is a car that handles very well. No doubt, we can see from the positions that they get into most of the races here around in this country. Whether it may be gravel or tarmac, we take the most preferred car in the 1600 and the 1500 cc categories. So Mr. Naveen lying third. It's a final lap. I think the finishing order is going to be this. Yes, it is. Valsara Tantri will come in first, Senanayaka second, with Mr. Naveen coming in third. And then we should have Ruklant completing the race series.
තරග ඉසව්වක නිමාවක් ඔබ දකින්නේ ඉසාන් වාසර තන්ත්‍රී ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයට දෙවන ස්ථානයේ දිනේෂ් සේනානායක තුන්වැන්න ලෙස විසක නවීන් මැක්නි හෝඩින්ස් තරග නිමාවේ
දිනේ ප්‍රමුඛ තරග ඉසව්වක නිමාව මේ සටහන් වන බව ගෲප් S විශේෂ මෝටර රථ තරග ඉසව්වේ ඉසාන් වාසර තන්ත්‍රී ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයට දෙවැනි තැන දිනේෂ් සේනානායකට විසක නවීන් තුන්වන තැනට මෙන්න ජයග්‍රහණයෙන් නිෂාන් වාසල තන්ත්‍රී දිනේෂ් සේනානායක විස්සක නවීන් කෙවුණුමොත් දෙවන තුන්වන ස්ථාන වෙනුවෙන් තියුණු තරගයක් තිබුණා. අවසානයේ දිනේෂ් සේනානායක දෙවන ස්ථානයට තුන්වන තැනට මෙස්සක නවීන්